welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what I got from Costco. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's start from the organization stuff first. The first item that I got is this iDesigns 4-piece kitchen bin set. So it comes with a 2 big one and 2 shallow ones. I'm really excited about this one because I want to redo my pantry, and I also got this modular pantry organizations. It comes in 8 and it comes with 6 accessories as well, so I got it in 2 boxes. So inside it looks like this. I highly recommend these bins because it's huge. You can fit a lot of items inside. I think it's really worth the price. And for this iDesign, and I highly recommend this one as well because you can stack them out and you can change any configuration that you like. I would say it's kind of pricey, but I think it's really worth it because when you open the pantry, it looks really nice. It looks really clean and organized. So I also got this crispy coconut roll snacks because it was on sale, and I tried before. It's really good compared to other coconut rolls that I bought before. It's really yummy. And I also got this Caesar salad dressing because Brandon loves Caesar salad. I got huge box of the Kirkland chocolate milk, and also I got this power wash Dawn because I'm planning to wash my shower door with this one. I got these 90s. It was recommended by other mom in Vancouver. And I also got this fleece line leggings, perfect for winter, and it has like dark gray and black as well. I got this pre-K workbook by Scholastic for Brandon because it has a lot of activities that he can do when he's off from preschool. I got these 2 fixed paper up because flu season, so I just like to be prepared. I got this milk chocolate. Bought it before. It's really good, and last time they only have the dark one, and now they have the milk one in stock, so that's why I got it. For the fruits, I got grapes. It's seedless red grapes, and I got some strawberries. I got some tomatoes and some golden kiwi as well. Moving on, I got this extra large egg, and I got these compost bags. So it's really useful, so we can just throw everything and just throw it on the compost garbage bin. I also got this Dempster's hamburger bun, so I can pack Brandon's lunch with this. I got some lettuce. I can eat it with the burger bun, or I can also eat it as a Caesar salad. I got some nugget potatoes, and I got some carrots. It's really huge. Last time I couldn't finish it, but I'm just gonna wash it and cut it, so if Brandon wants to have snacks, he can. I got some sausage. It's a beef sausage, and this one I think it's pre-cooked, it says, and also it's individually wrapped, so I think it will not go bad easily. And I got some mandarins, got some bananas and Asian pears. For the meat, I got this sirloin tip oven roast. I'm gonna cook some Indonesian recipes with this. I got some tilapia fillet. I can steam it, and I also can make a fish katsu with this as well. So for this chocolate milk, it's really nice because it's packed individually, so it doesn't go bad easily because we don't really drink milk all the time. And whenever Brandon wants it, he can just grab it by himself. And he also loves yogurt milk or Yakult, so he can grab those as his snacks anytime he wants. And right now I'm just gonna prep the fruits because if you don't cut it up, we're just too lazy to eat the fruits. So that's why I just like put it on the mason jar and dry it for a couple hours, and I'm gonna put it on the fridge, so whenever Brandon feels like it, he can just grab it from the fridge as well. I also meal prep some vegetables like lettuce, carrots, and potatoes because if you buy vegetables from Costco, it's really huge, so you need to cut it up, otherwise you will be too lazy to like cook it. I also packed the tilapia and beef stew as well. The tilapia is really good. I highly recommend it. So I cooked this soup because Brandon is not feeling well, and this soup is really nice. You can just add sauteed tomato and onions, and you can add the potatoes, carrots, and beef into the instant pot. For me, I prefer sirloin top oven roast meat that you can get it from the Costco instead of like the regular beef stew. And for the book, I highly recommend it as well, especially it comes with the certificate at the back and stickers when they're doing a good job, so Brandon love it. And also this one, I cook Indonesian food as well, so if you prep everything, it's just really easy. You can just like throw everything on the instant pot. So that's all that I got from Costco today. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at Angie Lowis. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? For